B. Reviews and user opinions. Reviews and user opinions play a crucial role in understanding the real-world performance and user experience of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Before investing in this flagship smartphone, it's essential to gather insights from both expert reviewers and everyday users. 1. Expert reviews. Expert reviews from reputable tech websites and publications provide in-depth analysis and assessment of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's features, performance, and overall value. These reviews often cover various aspects, including design, display quality, camera capabilities, battery life, and software experience. Reading multiple expert reviews can help you gain a comprehensive understanding of the device's strengths and weaknesses. 2. Pros and cons. Expert reviews typically highlight the pros and cons of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, offering balanced insights into its key features and potential drawbacks. Pay attention to recurring themes and prioritize features that align with your priorities and usage preferences. Understanding the trade-offs can help you make an informed decision that meets your needs. 3. User opinions and feedback. User opinions and feedback provide valuable insights into real-world experiences with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Platforms like online forums, social media channels, and user review websites allow users to share their thoughts, opinions, and experiences with the device. Pay attention to common themes and recurring issues mentioned by multiple users, as well as positive aspects that are widely praised. 4. Performance in specific use cases. Consider how the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra performs in specific use cases that are relevant to you. For example, if you're an avid photographer, pay attention to reviews and user feedback regarding the camera performance in various lighting conditions and shooting scenarios. Similarly, if you prioritize gaming or productivity, look for insights into the device's performance, multitasking capabilities, and gaming experience. 5. Long-term durability and reliability. In addition to initial impressions, seek insights into the long-term durability and reliability of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. User feedback over time can shed light on any potential issues that may arise with prolonged use, such as hardware defects, software bugs, or performance degradation. 6. Comparisons with competing devices. Compare the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with competing smartphones in its price range and category. Pay attention to how it stacks up against rivals in terms of features, performance, camera quality, battery life, and overall value. Comparative reviews and user opinions can help you gauge whether the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers the best bang for your buck compared to its competitors. By thoroughly researching expert reviews and user opinions, you can gain valuable insights into the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's performance, user experience, and overall suitability for your needs. Whether you